G Body John number 5 number 99 number 86 number 78 number 7. David Bruner number 24. Mike Craft number 33. 67 Long Bed number 52 number 76 number 34. 85 Cuddy Boy number 55 number 85. Tony Stanton number 66. Mr. Random number 13. Jerry Decker number 74. Leon Jackson number 12 number 25 number 50 number 75 number 91. Razorop 3168 number 77.
We back. We are back. Gonna bring y'all an update video on the turbo kit giveaway, man. We need y'all to jump in there and be a part of this. Be a part of this giveaway, man. I want somebody to get this turbo kit and put it on their 53, 48, 60, 62, whatever the case may be. And at $20, you can't go wrong, man. $20, you can't go wrong. We not halfway there though. We not halfway there. I need y'all halfway there, man. I need y'all to get in there and be like, hey man, I want to be a part of this. I'm gonna get this turbo kit. Cause somebody's gonna get it. And it's gonna be shipped to you. So you can't go wrong there. And then to sweeten the pot, this is what I'm gonna do. We've got 100 spots. So those 100 spots, we get 100 spots, we fill the 100 spots full. Those 100 spots will already be a participant in a giveaway that I'm going to do. And that will be a 5348. It won't be no 60. It'll be a 5348, something of that nature. January 1, 2026. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm gonna do, and we're not going to start that giveaway until we get done with this giveaway. But being that you're already in this giveaway, so there'll be 100 people. No matter how many spots that you've already purchased, those spots will carry over to the 5-3 giveaway, 4-8 giveaway, January 1, 2026. And this will be possibly with China Boy harness and that's probably it. Maybe some stock manifolds, you know what I mean? If I can get a lot of people involved in it, we will do what I can. The more that I can get people involved in it, the more that we can add to it. It's like a set of headers, yes. Shorty headers, yes. Slider mounts, yes. Intake, yes. But for the most part, it's going to be a stock engine, will not be a cam, and it will have, I want to say it's going to have a computer with it. All right, ECM and a harness, China Boy harness. They work. And it'll be a complete engine. Now, with that, I will not be shipping it. So that'll be on whoever wins it. But in order to be a part of that, you first have to be a part of this. And what this is this turbo kit giveaway. We're looking at 5.3, similar to what we would give away. You take this same engine, you bolt this turbo kit to it. You know what you got? 500 horsepower monster. And that's pure horsepower for anybody on the street. If you've never owned a turbo car and you go out there and you play around with a turbo car, it might get you hurt. I'm just saying, you got to be careful. But I need y'all to get in there and get your spots, get your numbers for this turbo kit giveaway. I'm going to update the list of people with the numbers in this video. There's plenty of spots still open. I need y'all to go ahead and jump in there so we can get this going. Now, if we can't get this kit given away in the next 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, at least 2 weeks, we're just going to go ahead and refund everybody back their money, and it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? What the plan is just to make this easier for somebody to get a turbo kit. And It's not hard. It's not hard. You know, hit the Cash App. Put your numbers in the Cash App. Put your number in the comment, and we'll transfer the numbers over. Transfer the numbers over. Everyone that's involved, I've got the numbers. I've got their names, and we're gonna update that number list and name list. More than likely, we're gonna try to update that every 1 to 2, 3 days, unless, you know, if people are involved and they're getting numbers daily, yeah, we'll update it. But if they're not, I'm not gonna update it until we get more involved. So I will be giving you an update list on this video. Cheapest turbo kit that you can ever. And you got to get in on this, man. You know how much fun it is? A turbo, 5, 3, 4, 8, 6, whatever you decide to put it on. You know how much fun it is? Oh, it's fun. It's fun. So, I'm going to put the list in the video, and then we're going to go ahead and I'm gonna put some of my previous turbo builds in this video as well. All of these builds have this same turbo kit, minus the turbo. Minus the turbo. I had a bigger turbo, but for the most part, everything's the same. For the most part. So, be sure to get in there and get your number, get your number picked, send over your donation to the Cash App, and we'll get that update. 100 spots. Get these 100 spots going. We do the live drawing. And again, those who are in this one are automatically in the 2026 one. January 1, 2026. But like I said, the more involved in that one, we will be giving away a 5348 January 1, 2026. Be blessed. Stay blessed. Swaps.
G-Body John number 5 number 99 number 86 number 78 number 7. David Bruner number 24. Mike Craft number 33. 67 Long Bed number 52 number 76 number 34. 85 Cuddy Boy number 55 number 85. Tony Stanton number 66. Mr. Random number 13. Jerry Decker number 74. Leon Jackson number 12 number 25 number 50 number 75 number 91. Razor Op 3168 number 77.